If your desktop looks like a digital graveyard of files named like Photocopy Final 2.2 Final, you are losing time and professional credibility. Manually clicking and renaming hundreds of files is the epitome of wasted productivity on Windows. But if you could rename an entire folder or files with a single command, what if you could instantly replace a typo across the thousands of documents? Today, I'm giving you the professional toolkit to conquer file chaos. We are covering 5 ways to bulk rename files, from simple built-in method to the advanced automated secrets the experts use. We'll look at File Explorer, Command Prompt, dedicated apps, and the professional grade solutions, Power Rename and PowerShell. Let's start with the basics. First method is the simplest method of them all. It's the built-in Windows trick. So to rename your files, all you need to do is to select the files you want to rename, for example like this, and press F2 on your keyboard. And now just rename this with text. For example, add text to your file name and hit enter, and you can see it renames all the files into a text1, text2, text3, text4. It's quick, it's simple, but it has one massive flaw. It has no flexibility. You can't replace existing text, you can't add a prefix, and the numbered brackets looks ugly. For anything beyond a fast, standardized rename, you need a more powerful solution. The next method is to use the Power Rename tool. For example, if I select this file and right-click on it, and you can see Rename with Power Rename. I just want to say to you that if you don't have this tool, stop everything and install Microsoft PowerToys. This is a non-negotiable professional solution. It's completely free. It comes in a Microsoft store. So make sure to install this program, Microsoft PowerToys. So select your files, for example, these 4. Right-click and click Rename with Power Rename. So let's say you want to rename all these phrases that contains text, for example. Type in text, and over here you want to rename this with image. Just for example, you can see that we have original and we have renamed over here. It's a very powerful tool because you can apply this to a file name and extension, file name only, extension only. For example, you can change the formatting of your rename. You can make this everything uppercase here, title case, or capitalize each word. And when you are done, just click apply here and close it. And you can see that now our files are renamed over here into the image, although this is not an image, but for the sake of this purpose. And Power Rename is the perfect balance of a graphical interface and advanced time-saving automation, and this is what 90% of professionals should be using right now. Power Rename is a game changer, but if you are a heavy command line user or need to bake these renames into an automated script, we still have 3 more methods to cover, including the ultimate power user tool. If you're finding this guide valuable, please hit that like button now. Next method, we have a command prompt. Don't be afraid, it's very easy to use it. And here's a step-by-step guide for renaming files using command prompt. This method is best for making quick, simple changes, especially to file extensions, like converting all text files into back files, for example. First, make sure to go to your folder. I called this new folder. And over here, you can go and right-click anywhere and click Open in Terminal. Also, you can do this by clicking here in Addressed and type in CMD, for example, and hit Enter, and you will get the same interface, this one. For example, if you want to change the text extension into back extension, we can do this by using the ren function. So go with the ren command, ren *.txt back, click enter, and you can see up here that we successfully changed the extensions of our files. We can revert this by going back into txt, and it will change back to the txt files. This is, for example, useful if you want to change the extensions. For true automation, you need PowerShell. This method is the most flexible because you are writing a tiny script and not just a command. We have 2 files, it's image and report. And what if we want to add the word review by the end of their name? So to do that, we will need to open the PowerShell in the correct folder. Make sure that you are in your folder. To do that, we'll open this in the PowerShell. We don't have the PowerShell option if you go right click here, but we have this open in terminal. So click it and you can see that up here it says window of PowerShell. Usually when you open in terminal, it will open PowerShell, so you don't have to worry about it. I have a very simple command that I will put in the description below if you want to use it for practicing this video. This will rename this image and report and add a review at the end. So paste it here and click enter. And you can see up here that now we have image review, report review, and so on. This method gives you huge flexibility just by changing the text inside the quotes, for example. But you can take this further, use this terminal or PowerShell to automatically insert the file creation date, replace words in nested subfolders, or pull part of the name from external list. If you need custom naming logic, PowerShell is the final stop. If you are constantly managing thousands of files with complex multi-rule renames, you might prefer a dedicated app like bulk rename utility, this one here, or advanced renamer. These will give you extremely granular visual control, rules, and sequencing. And while they are overkill for most users, they are essential for heavy data management or graphic design professionals. I will leave the links in the description below so you can access and download these tools. We covered 5 ways, but the lesson is clear. Stop wasting time on manual renames. For the fastest jump in productivity, get PowerToys and use Power Rename. For true automation and custom scripting, master PowerShell. If this guide helped you conquer file chaos, hit that subscribe button for more professional grade productivity content. And to keep transforming your PC into a productivity machine, check out this video, the PowerToys Ultimate Guide, that shows you how to use it to save hours every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.